Welcome to the money psychology revolution. Let's talk about why your habits are holding you back. First, the scarcity mindset. When you feel financially insecure, your brain goes into survival mode. A 2015 study found people in scarcity mode make 30% more impulsive spending decisions. Think of it like a fire alarm. Your brain thinks danger is everywhere. Let me share a real example. Sarah, a nurse, would buy lottery tickets instead of investing because she felt her money wasn't safe. She finally realized her brain was in survival mode. Second, present bias. Your brain craves instant rewards. Neuroscientists discovered the brain's reward system releases dopamine 10 times faster for immediate gratification than delayed rewards. That's why you buy that $5 coffee instead of saving. A 2022 experiment showed people who received $20 today spent 60% more than those who got it in a week. Third, overconfidence. 72% of investors believe they are above average in stock picking, but studies show only 15% actually outperform the market. Think of John, a tech CEO who lost $2 million in crypto because he believed his instincts were infallible. Fourth, loss aversion. Losing $100 hurts twice as much as gaining $100 feels good. This is why people hold on to losing investments too long. A 2020 study found investors held on to losing stocks 40% longer than they should. Fifth, confirmation bias.